What would you do to have more time with your dog? Most owners say they would spend any amount to keep their dogs healthy. But unfortunately, more than half of European dogs are overweight, and it's largely down to what they eat.
Dogs are carnivores. They need a lot of protein in their diet to stay healthy. Yet most dog food is jam-packed full of carbohydrates as well as synthetic ingredients. What protein they do get is often low quality and may even contain toxins. No wonder that a whopping 90% of our pets' health issues relate to their lifestyle and environment. The good news is that small changes can lead to huge improvements.
ROCKETO is a new form of dog food, gently air-dried to preserve whilst locking in nutrients of the natural raw materials. It's high in species-appropriate, bioavailable protein and low in carbohydrates. It's multi-award winning and easy to use. You simply rehydrate at home and feed to your four-pawed pals like Lola.
Not only does air drying naturally preserve the food, but it considerably reduces its size and weight, which means ROCKETO has much lower carbon footprint than conventional pet food. To make it even more sustainable, we deliver it straight to your door without any special storing conditions in 100% recyclable packaging.
We've invested in ROCKETO because we believe they have a unique product. Dog ownership is on the rise, and they are often regarded as part of the family, taking the place of children as millennials wait longer to have kids. Traditional dog food hasn't caught up yet. They are still trying to make it as cheap as possible. With European owners spending billions every year on dog food, the potential to grow, especially in premium category, is huge.
Founded in 2018, ROCKETO is now a well-established direct-to-consumer brand, with a range of products including delicious dog treats and a subscription service for our dehydrated dog food. From our factory here in Lithuania, we have full traceability over every single ingredient.
As a vet, I find that most dog food options available contain far too many cheap carbs and other fillers that are damaging the digestive system of our pets, and that can lead to a wide range of health issues. Dogs and cats both need a diet that is high in protein and low in carbs to keep them healthy. And I believe that ROCKETO is ideally balanced to meet the dietary needs of dogs, helping to keep them happy and healthy for longer.
In 2019, ROCKETO was accepted into a prestigious Founders Factor Accelerator program, helping us scale our team, product development and marketing.
We look at every business really closely before we invest. And in ROCKETO and Aranas, we found the perfect ingredients for a fantastic investment. Firstly, he's an outstanding founder, serial founder, very passionate, very bright, articulate, and a really nice person. Huge market, dog food, the pet industry generally, doing something unique, and with the sustainability theme at the core of what they do, makes for a great investment, and we are proud to support and very excited about ROCKETO's future.
Our relationship with our pets is changing. They're more a member of the family than ever before, and we're paying particular attention to what we're feeding them. In my experience, I've seen that consumers have access to far more information these days, and they're using this to make really informed decisions about the brands that they trust and that they use both for themselves and now for their pets. To me, ROCKETO is the most trustworthy and transparent pet food brand on the market.
Starting with Europe, this investment round will enable us to continue our global expansion and allow us to develop and launch a new product range tailored to cats.
We hope that you will join ROCKETO on this exciting journey to help improve the health and well-being of pets across the world.